Hello everyone, we got ourselves a brand new bike to the floor, 2026 Road Glide. This one's got the black finish and then dark billiard gray. You got the brand new fairing on there with the W light. It's all LED with the integrated turn signals right there. Dual disc front brakes. This does have a 117 cubic inch motor with a 6-speed transmission. This is the Gen 2 Milwaukee 8. So you got a little bit more power out of that. ABS, security, cruise control, traction control, cornering ABS, cornering traction control. This does also have ride modes. So you have a rain mode, road mode, and sport mode with just a touch of a button. And then also you can create a custom mode as well. New, a little bit wider bags. You got all LEDs out back as well. The blacked out with the gray looks awesome. Come down and check it out. Vandervest Harley-Davidson. We're at 1966 Phelps Avenue in Green Bay, Wisconsin. If you have any questions about the bike or would like to schedule an appointment, give us a call at 920-498-8822.